Costzon Changing Table, Folding Diaper Station by Costzon is one of the best sellers among diaper changing tables products. Specification: color black gray. Material: iron frame plus waterproof PVC plus 600D canvas. Dimension: 31.5 inches by 24. 8 inches by 35. 4 inches, L by W by H. Net weight: 11.2 lbs. Weight capacity: suitable for babies over 12 months. Iron frame plus waterproof PVC plus 600D canvas. 2-in-1 design. Costzon baby changing table can be used as baby massaging table as well. It offers the comfort and practicality of an elevated changing and massaging station. It is designed at the proper height of parent to prevent mom's back aches and pains from kneeling or bending when changing diapers to babies. It has open shelving which adds extra security. Stable construction, non-skid feet covers, and a sturdy frame keep the table stable and prevent movement. All the manufacturer's products are designed with the safety of your little ones in mind. Waterproof material: the surface of the top table is made of waterproof PVC which is non-toxic and easy to clean, while the other part is made of durable and wearable 600D canvas, and it can be used for a long period. Large storage space equipped with 3 compartments aside the table. You can place diapers, towels and any other accessories conveniently. If there are more items needed, the lower storage space is available to keep toys, diaper pail and baby clothes, etc. Foldable changing table, easily folded if you finish all the tasks. With its space-saving design, you can store it behind a door. It will make life a little easier for parents.